Many of us didn't know this before. We can easily schedule a shutdown timer on Windows OS without using any third-party application. Here is how to create a shutdown timer with 3 different methods. Method 1. Open command prompt, then type shutdown st, then the time in seconds you want to elapse before the computer shuts down, then hit enter. To cancel the timer, just open command prompt again and type shutdown A, then hit enter. Method 2. Open the run command, type shutdown st, then the time in seconds and click OK. To cancel the shutdown timer, open run command again and type shutdown A, then click OK. Method 3. If you need to use a shutdown timer regularly, you can create a shutdown timer shortcut. Right-click on the desktop, select shortcut, type shutdown st and time in seconds, then click Next. Now enter a name and click Finish. Timer will start when you double-click the shortcut. To cancel the timer, you can create a second shortcut using shutdown A.